Hi there. Thanks for visiting my channel. My name is Shilpa Kulkarni and I'm a Connecticut real estate agent. I work with Next Home Real Estate Services. So check the description below for more information about Next Home. In this particular episode, we are going to talk about the market as of April 2021. So it's a monthly report that I'm going to share. As usual, I've created the presentation where I will be showing you the yearly trend, so year to year comparison, and also have picked up few towns where I'm going to indicate the trend indicator and how many active listings, sold listings are out there. So basically inventory counts report. So let's start. So I have done a little presentation for you, just like March report. I have done the end of April report. In the historical count of active listings, I pulled the data for state of Connecticut, which shows you currently the data from June 2020 till April 2021. And as I have indicated here, clearly the active listings are increased. In my last video in March updates, I told you that usually in spring, late spring, summer, more listings start coming, and that's what is the trend. In the next slide, I'm representing historical sales price trend. Again, it is of state of Connecticut, not of a specific town as such. This data is from Jan 2020 till April 2021, and as you see the trend here, there is an increase in sales price. It's a median sales price, and as compared to last year we are seeing a slight increase, but there are so many articles out there. Overall in the country, we have seen the highest historical sales price trends. This data is just for Connecticut, but yeah, definitely there is an increase in sales price. The next one is specific to towns. I picked pretty few towns this time. I will pull the data as you all request me based on your town, but currently I am representing Trumbull town, and this particular report is an inventory counts report as of today, which is a 1st of May. Okay, so I pulled the data for single family for sale, and as you see, about 155 transactions happened, of which active, they're still active, they're showing up. About 27 active listings closed in last month, with 24 closed, deposit 50 deposit, and show 54. So now the difference between show and deposit, meaning show meaning offer is accepted, deposit meaning the deposit is paid by the buyer to the seller side escrow account. So this particular data, again, monthly April 1 to May 1st, and about 155 active transactions in various statuses in Trumbull. If you see the overall trend, like what type of homes are getting sold, you will see that overall in Trumbull you will see much more movement here, which is again like from 300,000 till about 700,000-800,000. That's type of town Trumbull is. And as you see, more demand for 4 bedrooms, 27 transactions, 3 bedroom, 17 transactions, things like that. So overall about 49 closed transactions, sold transactions, and there is a trend of active 27 and stuff like that. So this is all about Trumbull. Wilton is another town in Fairfield County. Little expensive, very good schools, lot of movement out there. As you see, we saw in Trumbull it was about 155 total, but in Wilton we see 189, of which 50 are active transactions, 34 closed in last month, 37 on deposit, 68 in show. So it's a lot of movement going on in single family homes in Wilton. And as far as trend indicator is concerned, again, Wilton is an expensive town. You will see more movement in 600 to 1 million range, more listings out there in that range, and obviously other listings are also there. You will see even like 2 million plus homes out there too, and people have capacity to go purchase such homes, right? As you see, again, 4-bedroom 70 transactions, 23 bedroom and 3 2-bedroom. And now this is a single family listing report. Now you'll get surprised when you see the report like this, because Stamford is pretty near to New York. It's a southern part of Connecticut. The fastest train is just 45 minutes Metro North from Stamford to Grand Central. I see a lot of movement, almost like three times of other little northern Fairfield County towns. You will see 418 total single family home transactions out there, of which 138 are active, 48 are closed, and lots going on, like deposit and show, 119 deposit, 113 show. So the lot of activity out there in Stamford. Again, if you see the real estate trend in Stamford, this is again single family home, the sold listing. You will see the trend 400,000 till a million, a bunch of houses there, plus other variety you will get. So we'll see about 150 4-bedroom sold listings there. So it's a lot of hot market in Stamford. I hope you like my presentation about April 2021 market report. I can definitely pull more data specific to your town, so make sure you add the comment down below. And I have also added my contact information, so give me a call or write me email. If you just want to meet me for coffee, we can meet out there too. And also, if you want your home evaluation report, which we are going to cover in my next video, which we call as CMA, the market analysis report, I'm happy to do that, so give me a call. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Please share this video and leave your comment down there. Also, make sure to check the description, because it's like my video blog. I add that in detail for the written information as well, so you can go ahead and read the description. Feel free to share this video, and that's about it. Thank you and see you later.